Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about best practices for building virtual data room in 2023. So guys, let's start. Now that you know how to set up a virtual data room, it's time to learn the best practice for strengthening your data protection with security settings and better workflow management. Implementing user permissions. To build data rooms are security oriented, you need to decide on access rights for admins, corporate employees, investor clients, financial advisor, and other third parties. And since these tasks may seem tedious, we give you some examples of users, group, and permissions. But note that they may differ depending on the deal and industry. However, the classic structure includes administrator, the document storage, user management page, and file permissions tab are completely under this person control. Admins can add documents, allow regular access user to invite new user, hide members from each other, are generally controlled all process in a data room. Management. Company managers usually have access to all data but aren't assigned to any administrative obligation. Employees. Employee can be divided into access groups based on what documents they need for work. Typically, individual viewers or groups can upload files, edit content, share and rename files. Finance. All financial documents must be available to user dealing with the financial side of the transaction. Investor. Potential investors need free access to tax information, balance sheets, income statements, and others related to the due diligence checklist. As for established investor, the virtual data room administrator must provide them access to strictly confidential information. Encrypting data. Data encryption is a security technique that encodes data and makes it visible only to someone with the right encryption key. Here are some tips on using encryption in your virtual data room. Encryption at rest in transit. There is no need to enable or disable encryption in transit. It is usually offered by default. However, some providers don't offer encryption at rest by default and may require an extra procedure to enable it. You should contact your vendor's customer service to clarify it. Customer managed encryption keys. You can also get control of the encryption keys, which is an extra security measure called customer managed encryption keys. In particular, this option allows you to control data in cloud infrastructure along with private encryption keys. In addition, you can choose where to store the encryption keys and the software for managing them. Monitoring activity. Setting up monitors is essential.